Well, what's the crack? How's it going? I have this Gege in the voice here. Half it anyway. See if we can get that to focus in a second there. There's the button on the key. Second. I think that's a bit better. There we go. Now, all works nicely as it should. Let's see if we have learned anything about these fucking locks. Yes, been given some heartache, I'll tell you, about these locks. They're very well made. I think we figured them out. I think we have a bit of a light bulb moment the other day. So, yeah, it's worked out for me so far. I've managed to open all the ones that I got, all the euros I got the other day, or last week, or whatever. Okay, let's get going here and see what we can do using the hook 4. I'll probably switch back and forth between a few different hooks here for this one. Right, let's get started. Not easy. You see there. Yeah, not much L1. It's something out of it. This hook isn't working very well actually. Not really. Click out something 4 maybe. No, the hook's not gonna work. Hey, let's try the gem. Let's go back into the back. Let's see what we. Okay, click out 6 now. Something there. There's 4. Sink down a bit. Felt like he said. Hang on, these picks aren't working at all. Try number 7 hook in 18,000s. Maybe you should go with a thicker one. You know what? Let's try a thicker hook. We'll start off with just the old good L hook 1, 25,000s. Click off 1. A couple of clicks off 2. Solid click off 3. A weak click off 4. Yeah, a solid click off 5. What's that, 6? Maybe that was 6. Okay. Okay, more. Yes. A nice bit more of pin 5 there. Pin 5 or 4. 4 or 1 feels kind of okay. 2. Okay, this is probably where I'm going to have to start being a bit careful. Feedback goes, now practically goes to 0, so you need to be very careful, see what's hanging up in that countermill in there, see if there's anything that's going to give us any more clicks. Why did I go back to this hook? It's this one here, the SS Dev. It's the only one that can reach through from the bottom here. You need to get some leverage, so, that wasn't good. Two feels like he needs work. Maybe. Yeah, see, there he goes. 3. No. 3, 4. I'm really stabbing in the dark with this hook. Let me see what's going to work here. What will get around that corner. Maybe, you never know. This guy is very useful. Okay, 2. I'm going to click out 2 there. Something is hanging on, I just can't reach him. I think it's that pin in the back there, pin 4 or something. Come on, baby. Oops. Really good tight keyway on this one. Very hard to get good access to the pins. The Sparrows pick would be the right job for this one there. 5 minutes in already. Where's my Sparrows picks? Yeah, shit, they're all the way over there. Here we go. I have one. I got one. Right. Here we go. Now. I think we have what we need. Hopefully. What the? This one here maybe. This is annoying. It's not working. Come on. Multi-pick. This is never gonna work when it gets into the back. This is stuck already. Oh yes! Oh, multi-pick. Good stuff. See, it's just that one pin just waiting to be nudged over the fucking line. I got him anyway, so let's go there. Try and do it quickly and get this stuff out of the way over here. But yeah, counter milling and that is so I was spending too much time kind of chasing the false set. You get a nice little turn on the car when pin sets, but yeah, you push the next one that gives feedback and you get a nice click out, but you lose your false set then. But generally they just need an extra little shove to get them over the line. So okay, let's try to get this going quick, and then we'll clip remover as well. You put up a fight there to get that fella still. They're not easy locks to pick, no question. But at least I've gone to days to minutes, I suppose. Which is a big improvement. Yeah, come on, get off. Maybe we could only improve this. You know what? See, he doesn't want to do that. Let's lock him up. And ping this clip across the room. Okay, patience. This is patience. Okay, that goes there, and then shove. Yes. Works great sometimes, but not always. I'll try to get this done fast. Right, if that's at all possible for me. You should be fine to go with it. See? There's our key pins. Okay, let's get these guys out. Nice bit of drill protection there. The drill protection has come out too. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. That's 5. Okay. That plug there. what drivers we have up here. They're all going to be Gege drivers. Let's see if there's any different size ones. Okay, I'll leave that like where it is. Mess things up now. One is a double. Two is a double as well. All doubles. Another double. Another double serrated or double spill. Shit, spring came out that too. Yeah. Okay, yeah, maybe actually be the way. Oops. The springs and these Geges to be crazy strong. Another one of the things. Another double. That combine that with the counter melon, and I tell you, it makes them really tough locks to pick. Really tough. But yeah, they're doable once you kind of figure out like that. I know for me, I kept every time I'd kind of lose the false set, I was getting frustrated pushing something too far. But generally, it just means that the pin is just one of the pins is hung up on the counter melon and just needs a little nudge. Yeah, this video is over 11 minutes, so I want to do an experiment here. See, Gege here. See how well some of these will work. I've seen some strange pinning in Geges before. Oops. Let's use this one, might be better for this job. Half the time the drivers end up below the shear line, or with the key pin and the drivers. They're weird. Those key pins are fairly long, you know, so that guy just needed to be touched. Yeah. He's set nice and low in there. Oops. Yeah, so they worked as usual. Nice, fairly unbalanced stack. Then that little fella in the top there. Okay, just get and the one missing one still there. So yeah, there we go. The pins and from the Gege. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you can see that counter melon in the car there. There's none on the first, and counter melon on the last 5. Very good locks for just straight up pin tumblers. Very good. Difficult to pick, but fairly satisfying when you do. I'm surprised I've only found the double spill so far in these locks. Normally they can do singles and triples to them, but we'll have a look through some of the others. Okay, I've kept you long enough. See you next time. Bye.